Good morning guys, welcome back. Here it is our second video that is related with the select command of MySQL, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about the where clause of select command. Where we can use this where command with select, also we can use this where command, where clause with the update statement also, right? Now here what is there with the select command? Very first, select star. Star means the same table is there, the name of the table is ABC. Select star means all the columns of the table, it will be there as an output on your computer. Clear? So select star. Then in the second line from, with the from command, we just use the table name, that is ABC. Clear? Means computer is going to understand that we want something from the table ABC. Clear? So select star from ABC. Then the third line, if you want to filter the records. Records filterization means what? Here, if you see the table ABC contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different records, and we want to show some specific records only out of these 6. Suppose we want to show all the records that are male candidate. Means we are going to filter the table now. Out of these 6 records, computer is going to produce the output related with male candidate record only. Means 1, 2, 3. Out of 6, only 3 records will be there on the monitor. Clear? So it is known as record filterization. The second thing is column or field filterization. Field filterization means what? Right now in this ABC table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fields are there, right? If we want to show each and every field, or we can say if we want to show all the fields of the table, we just use star symbol, asterisk symbol with the select command. Done? Now if I want to show only name and percentage, these 2 columns from this ABC table, then what is the modification in the first command? The modification is I just remove this asterisk symbol from here, and here name comma percentage, these 2 column names are added with the select command, right? It is known as field filterization, means to show some fields according to our condition. Now we are working in this video we are working on where clause of this select command, right? With the where clause we just use a condition. Just see this one, it is a condition. Condition means percentage greater than equal to 70.0, right? Means computer shows the record that are having percentage more than 70 or more than 70, right? So it is known as condition. The first condition, here it is the second condition, and it is the logical operator of MySQL, right? So what is there in the first condition? Condition kaise banaye? Very first thing, how we can create conditions either in MySQL or in Python or in Java or in C++. Kaise produce kare? Condition means what? Condition means the result of a particular condition should be either true or false, right? Should be either true or false. So if you want to produce a condition, you just use relational operators. Clear? Now what are the relational operators in MySQL? In the previous video also I told you also, if you want to know how many relational operators you can use with this where command, just check it out. Greater than, it is known as greater than symbol, right? Then here the second one is less than, then the third one greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Here the same symbol is there in this condition. Percentage is either greater than or equal to 70, means the exact percentage 70, it is included, right? If I remove this equal to sign, it means what? It means the 70, exact 70% is not included. More than 70% records will be there on the monitor as an output, right? So here it is known as greater than or equal to. It is same, just like our Python only. In class 11 you can do a lot of program based on this. Now this one is less than or equal to. Here less than or equal to means either 80 or less than 80. 80 is included in that particular concept. Clear? Now the next one, equal to. Equal to means it is for exact searching. Just see in the second command, name equal to Amit, right? If name of a candidate is Amit, proper Amit, only Amit, Amit Kumar is not acceptable, Amit Jain is not acceptable, Mr. Amit is also not acceptable. Clear? Exact searching, it is name equal to Amit means the record will be there that contain accurate Amit name in the name column. Clear? Now, equal to is for exact searching. Then the last one, it is not equal to. Just see, less than and greater than symbol. If you are going to combine these two symbols together, it is known as not equal to symbol. Or in some older version of MySQL, we can use this type of symbol also for this not equal to concept. Clear? So just check it out. These are the relational operators of MySQL, and you just use these relational operators while making the condition, just like this one. Done? Now the next thing. So what will happen? I wrote two different conditions in the statement. Two different conditions, and I combined these two conditions with the AND logical operator. Now, just see what is AND. In the second line, in the second command, I use OR. In the third one, I use NOT. So, AND, OR, NOT. These three are the logical operators of MySQL. अब इनका काम क्या है? What is the role of these logical operators? Now, two different conditions are there in MySQL. If you produce a condition, you should write name of the column in each and every condition. Again, just listen it carefully. If you want to produce condition in MySQL or in Python or whatever language you are using, you just write the column name or variable name with each and every condition. Here just see, two different conditions are there. In the first condition, percentage. Percentage means what? Percentage, PER. It is the third column of the table. So PER, it is there in the first condition, and again PER is there in the second condition, right? So column name, it is necessary if you use relational operators while making the condition. Clear? Now just check it out. Here percentage greater than equal to 70, and the second condition is percent less than equal to 80. Both the conditions are joined together with this AND logical operator. AND means what? Now, AND means if I put AND in between two sentences, find a boy who is idiot or arrogant. Idiot and arrogant means what? आपको वो स्टूडेंट फाइंड आउट करना है जिसमें दोनों प्रॉपर्टी हो. बोथ द प्रॉपर्टीज आर ट्रू इन अ पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट, देन यू कैन फिल्टर द स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम द क्लास. Here two different conditions are there. Now AND is there in between these two conditions means for a particular record, if both the conditions are true, then and then only you can filter the record from the table. Clear? Percentage greater than equal to 70, percentage less than equal to 80. Now how many records you are going to filter from this table? Just find it out. First record, is it selected? Yes, it is selected because the percentage 78.5, it is there in the range of 70 and 80. Clear? So first is filtered. Second, not filtered. Just see the percentage 82, 82.6 means this condition is true. It is more than 70. But here in the second condition less than 80, it is false. And अगर and लगाया तो if both the conditions are true, then and then only you get the result true, otherwise not. कोई भी एक condition false हो जाती है तो and उसको result को show नहीं करता. Done? So the first record, it is there on the monitor. Second, removed, not selected because it is out of range. Third one, out of range, not selected. Fourth one, it is also out of range. Fifth one, 86.8%, out of range in that particular scenario, not acceptable. 44.3, not acceptable. कितने record है? Only one record. That is there in between the range of 70 and 80. Clear? So here it is. The role of AND is statement, role of AND logical operator. Now just come towards the second, this portion. Come towards the second command. Here, select start, all the field or the column will be there as an output on your monitor. From ABC, it is the name of the column. Computer is going to filter the record from the table ABC. Now, where clause first condition is name equal to Amit, equal to, it is the relational operator, equal to, right? Name equal to Amit. The second condition is based on, oh my god, it is based on the another column, it is percentage column. So two different column is going to filter, filter from this table. Name equal to Amit or percentage equal to greater than or equal to 90. These two conditions are there, and both the conditions are connected with this OR logical operator. OR means OR works not like AND. AND works on a range. OR works according, if 2 or 3 or 4 conditions are there and you connected these conditions by using OR, it means what? If any of the condition is true, computer filter the record from the table. Right? So here, name equal to Amit. Very first, computer is going to find out the records that contain Amit name in the name column. Right? All the records are filtered from the computer. Now the second condition, percentage greater than equal to 90. अभी यहाँ पे दोनों में से कोई भी कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाती है, वो रिकॉर्ड्स, वो सारे रिकॉर्ड्स कंप्यूटर आपको एज एन आउटपुट शो करेगा. अगर नाम अमित है वो भी आएगा, किसी की परसेंटेज 90 से ऊपर है वो भी आएंगे. Both the records, both the conditions are applicable on the column. अब चेक करते हैं what will be the output according to the ABC table. Now check it out. Name equal to Amit, या तो नाम अमित हो या रिकॉर्ड्स की परसेंटेज 90 या उससे अबव हो. राइट? सो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड percentage is less than 90, right? But the name is Amit, so this one, the Amit record, the first record will be there on the monitor. It is selected, right? Now check it out. Second record, name is Vikas. The first condition is false over here. Amit to hai nahi, so first condition is false. Percentage is greater than or equal to 90. Percentage check कर लो भाई, ये भी गलत है. Both the conditions are false for Vikas. Is it selected? It is not selected. कोई भी condition true नहीं हुई विकास के लिए. So it is not selected as an output. Now check it out. The third record is Purva. Purva. The first condition. Amit. No, it is false. नाम तो पूर्वा है, अमित तो है नहीं. Second one, just check it out. Percentage 95.0, and here you are going to put the condition 90.0. So the second condition is true. बीच में लगा है और कोई भी कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाए दोनों में से उस रिकॉर्ड को फिल्टर करना है. मींस द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ पूर्वा, it will be there as an output on your monitor. It is selected based on the second condition. Now come to the third one. Name is Sahil, not accepted. The first condition is false. Percentage is more than 90. It is also selected. Amisha, बताओ. Name अमीशा, अमित. फर्स्ट कंडीशन फॉल्स. दोनों में से कोई भी एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी तो रिकॉर्ड सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. द फर्स्ट वन इज फॉल्स. नाउ चेक इट आउट. द परसेंटेज ऑफ अमीशा इज 86.6. आपने क्या दिया? 90.0. फॉल्स. बोथ द कंडीशंस आर फॉल्स फॉर दिस गर्ल अमीशा. सो दिस रिकॉर्ड इज नॉट सेलेक्टेड. डन. लास्ट वन, Suruchi, Amit, false. 44.3, 94. So when you execute this command, the first record, the third record, and the fourth record, it will be there on the monitor. Clear up? So it is the role of OR logical operator. Only 3 logical operators are there. The first one AND. AND में करना क्या है? Both the conditions are true, then you just select the record. Otherwise not. Second one, second logical operator, it is OR. करना क्या है? दो condition in OR is there in between two condition. If any one condition is true, just select the record. Otherwise not. Both the conditions are false. Deselect the record. Now the third one. We are here at the third command. Just check it out. What is there? Select star from ABC where not. It is the third logical operator. And or not. 3 logical operators are there in each and every language. You can use Python. In Python also these three are there. C++, Java, MySQL, everywhere you just find these three logical operators. So not means what? Not means what? Not means no. Just check it out. Where not and one condition. Condition is gender equal to M. आपने क्या बोला? If you are going to translate this portion into Hindi, what is the output? जिसका gender male नहीं हो, not means नहीं हो, right? तो कौन से रिकॉर्ड है? Where not gender equal to M means computer is not going to show the male candidate records, it will show female records only. Right? It is known as not. Done? So, these are the three different formation of this where clause. Right? Next we will learn, we can create a condition by using relational operators greater than, less than. In MySQL, we are having some different operators also. Different operators means either you can create the condition while taking this relational operator, or you can create the condition by using between and operator. You can use between and with this where command. The second one is like. You can use like operator with this where command. Clear? So between and, like, these are some more operators. Yes, in, not in. It is also there in MySQL. In, not in. Right? So I hope this concept is shifted in your mind. Now I wrote three different commands again. These commands are also related with this select and with this where clause of the select command, right? The first command here I use between and operator, right? Between and. In the second command I use in operator with the where clause. And in the third command, I use not in operator. These three different operators that we can use with this where command are there on the board. Right? So, what will happen? If you write between and, first understand the first operator between and. Here, you can see 1 mark or 2 mark question in the CBSE board, in the CBSE question paper. So very first, just understand what is there in this between and operator. Here, the first thing. Now, in the previous session, you just know about if you want to create a condition in each and every block, you should write the column name. Percentage greater than equal to 70. Column name is here. And percentage less than equal to 80. Right? In both the conditions, column name are there if you use relational operator, right? Now here in this line, no relational operators are there. Here I use between and. So with the between and command, you just write the column name at one time only. Clear? Where percentage PER, it is the column of the table, where PER between 70.0 and 80.0, right? It means what? Here the first thing, both the values 70.0 and 80.0, both the values are included, right? Inclusive in the output means it is somehow related with, if I write this command where PER, percentage column, greater than equal to 70.0 and PER less than equal to 80. Both the commands are same. So while seeing the line, this particular line, you can understand the concept of between and, right? Both the values are included, greater than or equal to 70, less than or equal to 80. The result of both these commands are same. Clear? So it is the between and operator of MySQL. Now come to the second command. Here it is select star O. Just see. Select name, comma PER. What will happen? मुझे नहीं पता. Just try to find out. Here select name, comma PER. What will be there in the output section? And in the second line, select star. What is the difference? Just find it out. Now the second command, select star from ABC, where roll number, RNO, it is the first column of the table, where RNO in, in, the second operator that you can use with this where clause, in, and with the in, we use a small bracket and we just give some values inside the small bracket. If the values are in digit format, need not to write inverted comma with these values. If the value it is in alphabet format, just check it out in the second line, not in F, it is alphabet. So the value is in alphabet format, you just put either single inverted comma or double inverted comma with the value. Just see the difference, right? So here the command is, second command is where RNO in 1400, 1405, 1819 means what? Check this ABC table and try to find out how many records will be there on the monitor. If you apply, if you execute this command, right? Roll number 1400, it will be there on the monitor as an output. Roll number 405, 1405, it is also there. 1819. So out of these 6 records, you can see 3 records filtered from the table and it is there as an output, right? अच्छा, अभी क्या होगा? अभी मैं यहाँ पे in हटा देता हूँ. I remove the in here and instead of in, I just put not in, not space है ध्यान रखना बीच में, not space in. In हटाया, not in लगाया. Now what will happen? वो रिकॉर्ड्स आपके सामने मॉनिटर पे आएंगे जिनमें ये वैल्यूज नहीं होगी. Means now this record will be there, this record will be there, and this record. Clear? It is in and not in. Just try to find the output of this command. The third one, select star from ABC where gender. The command is based on the gender column, the last column of the table, where gender not in. Gender not in A, F यानी female. Gender जिसका female ना हो वो records आपके सामने आने. Gender not in F means male records. This one, this one and this one, these 3 records will be there on the monitor. Clear? These are the 2 operators between and in and not in. We can use with where clause. Yes, where command update में भी use होती है, delete में भी use होती है, where command select के साथ भी use होती है. So you can use these operators everywhere. Clear? Now the last one, the last operator, that is like, most important one of this where clause. Clear? Just wait. So here we will discuss about the like operator that we can use with this where command. Here where name like A, then %. So like command is applicable to filter the pattern. It is based on pattern matching. Pattern means group of alphabet. Out of this group of alphabet you are going to filter a pattern, a specific pattern. Just understand the command. Select star from ABC where name like A %, right? So here what will be there? With the like command we use 2 different symbols. Either we can use this percentage symbol with the like command like this one, or you can use underscore also. Underscore and dash, 2 different switches, 2 different keys are there on the keyboard. Underscore means downside dash. Right? So, if you use percent symbol indicates multiple characters. Right? It is multiple characters. Underscore represents single character. So, here in this command I use percent symbol. Computer is going to filter the record that is starting, that name starts from A. Right? So Amit record, it will be there on the monitor. Amisha record also, it will be there on the monitor as an output. Percentage is there at the back side of it. So starting alphabet, it should be A, and the rest, how many alphabets are there? The computer is going to filter all the alphabet. Right? Instead of this one, if I write the command like this, where name like percent and then A. Now what will happen? Just check it out. Name like percent is there at the first position and after that one alphabet A. It means computer is going to filter those records that are having A in their name at the last. Amisha A, Purva A. Just check it out. This one last, at the last position A will be there. Only two records are there out of this ABC table. So Purva record will be there on the monitor, Amisha record will be there on the monitor. If you execute this command, percent symbol at the beginning of A, means the alphabet A, it should present at the last of each and every name. Computer is going to filter the record, right? If I write the command like this, where name like percent Amit, then percent. Now what will happen? How many records you can filter from the table? Percent Amit means Amit name is there at any position in the name column of the ABC table. Before Amit, any multiple alphabet can be there. After Amit can be there. So Mr. Amit, it is also selected. Amit Kumar Jain, it is also selected. Mr. Amisha, it is Mr. Amitabh, it is also selected. So Amit name is there at any position of the name column. All the records are selected by the computer, right? Now it is the pattern related with this percent symbol. Now we will go towards the underscore. What will be there if we use underscore with this like command? Now the concept is, just check it out. Select star from ABC where name like S, starting alphabet, then 1 underscore, 2 underscore, 3 underscore and 4 underscore. Percent means multiple character, n number of alphabet, n number of character. Underscore means single character. कौन सा record filter हो? The table is there on the board. The record that starts from S, starting alphabet of the student name should be S. Here it is S. Here it is also S. Sahil, Suruchi. Out of these two, computer is going to filter the record that contain 4 more alphabets after the alphabet S. S, then any 4 letter. So Sahil will be selected, Suruchi will not be selected if you execute the command. Clear? So it is the formation of like command. We can use two different symbols. The first one is percent symbol and the second one is this underscore symbol. I hope the concept is clear in your mind. Thank you.